Hello everybody, today is May 13th, and I am here. Well, I'm a fan of the Celebrity Apprentice. I've been watching it for a couple years now, and recently, since today's Monday, last night on Sunday's episode, they started the first part of the finale, and the task is to market ice cream for Walgreens. And since I am a supporter of Penn Jillette, I'm pulling it for him to win. I bought the Good and Delish All-Star Celebrity Apprentice ice cream that he made. The flavor that Penn, Dennis Rodman, LaToya Jackson, and Lisa Rinna came up with is vanilla and chocolate magic Swirtle. Yes, Swirtle. So yes, take a good look at the tin there, or the carton, or the cart, whatever you want to call it. Take a peek. Take it off very carefully, and that's what we got now. So yeah, here is I never tried this before. I don't know what it tastes like, so here's a live taste testing for you. The Penn Jillette invented ice cream. Here you go. Okay, it's basically just vanilla chocolate with like a caramel type chocolate in there. Pretty good, actually. You can taste the chocolate too. It's a real distinct taste to it. Pretty good. So yeah, there's my taste test of the Walgreens All-Star Celebrity Apprentice Delish ice cream. So there's one last look. Let's go, Penn! Beat Trace Atkins. We gotta win this, Penn. Take one last spoonful of hopeful victory. Thanks for watching, guys.